How to access device management on Crunchyroll. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to access device management option on Crunchyroll. So first thing, just head over to any of your favorite browser and just search in for crunchyroll.com, and you should be heading over to this page where you'll have to log into your actual account by simply tapping on this user icon at the top right corner. So once you log into your account, you will be heading over to homepage and you can just tap on that particular profile once again. So once you tap on that particular profile, you should be seeing an option called My Account, and simply tap on this where you can easily manage your profile and settings. So once you come over here, just tap on this device management under the left section and just tap on this, and you can see all of your history or where you have logged in or which is your current device where you are signed in to your Crunchyroll account, and you can actually deactivate all those devices and activate them as well. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.